Hi Ambe.
Hi, Ambe.
Well, as you had asked for, some things which I noticed during the lockdown was I got very close to the family. In the sense, I had a lot of time because I was at home. So we used to play these games when we used to play them when we were kids. Saap Shidi, Snake and Ladders, and all those things. So it brought me close to the family as well as close to the people staying around me in the society, whom maybe I would just wish a good morning and go. We had so much of time in the evening that we used to go for a walk together, know each other. So that way it brought us close. Also made us realize that when we are in a problem, there are people around who come together and help each other, which is a very good thing that I have noticed. What about you?
Yeah, I learned that at one point of time, the entire nation was united. We listened to our Prime Minister and we followed whatever guidelines and whatever precautions and whatever measures he told us to follow. And we are still following it. At least we are. Secondly, I learned that we don't need exorbitant or fancy food to make a wholesome meal.
Yeah, that's true.
A wholesome meal can be done even with the bare minimum things that are available. Also, every time we could get any essentials, the first thought that always came to our mind was of sharing. Sharing with our neighbors, with our domestic helpers, or whoever people came here to clean the society, etc. We also became very resilient. We became, instead of brooding over why it happened, what should have been done, what should have not been done, we decided to be self-defensive and make our body so fit that we can tackle the disease even if we get it. So I think these are the things that I learned, apart from dignity of labor to each and every person who's there around us.
All the way.
So the lockdown has made me appreciate more time with pets, especially when they've been at home a lot more and she's playing with something. Also helps so you can spend more time with family, even though we're always around each other. It's a lot more fun. We laugh a lot more, which is, I guess, what we should not do before, or as much of. And less time in traffic, so you're not mentally stressed in the morning, before and after work. And I guess you appreciate small things that we've taken for granted, like even going to a supermarket or going to a gym or just going outdoors in general. Yeah.
Hi, this pandemic has brought out the best in most of us by discovering special talents, following one's passion, sharing them with others. One can also see the display of feelings of empathy, sympathy, love, and fear. We are also exhibiting negative behaviors due to this fear and lack of knowledge about the virus. We need to be more aware, more vigilant, extra cautious of our surroundings. Most of all, we have to be responsible citizens to do our bit in fighting this.
Hello everyone, we all know that there is lockdown throughout the country. I am a national level gymnast and this lockdown has given me an opportunity to improve my fitness and flexibility.
കൊറോണ വന്നത് കൊണ്ടെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ സ്വന്തം ആവശ്യത്തിനുള്ള കൃഷി ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിച്ചു. അതുകൂടാതെ നമ്മുടെ റിട്ടയർമെൻറ്റ് ലൈഫിൽ മക്കളും എല്ലാം ആയി എങ്ങനെ വീട്ടിൽ തന്നെ ഇരിക്കാമെന്നും പഠിച്ചു.
Friends, I'm going to talk to you about arts in this corona times. I must point out that the whole world maintained its sanity during this lockdown period because of arts. Imagine what would have happened if there was no music, there was no cinema, there was no literature and other forms of art. The world would have gone mad. The role of art, the function of art is not just decorating walls and halls. It is to establish a peace with yourself and a peace with the world. As far as I am concerned, this period was a period of bliss for me because I never had such uninterrupted creative time. I created hundreds of drawings, paintings, wrote stories for children, and also looked after my health. I started walking 10-15 kilometers every day, and it has made me fitter and happier.
I am Siddhi Pagrani, and I just want to say that although we haven't had the most ideal start to the decade because of the pandemic, I have still learned quite a lot of things from just sitting at home and staying safe. Firstly, I have realized the number of online courses and number of online resources available to us to improve our personality, to improve our education, to improve our fitness, to improve our game. And it's honestly, without the pandemic, I wouldn't have been able to realize the number of resources available on the internet, or even or videos and stuff like that. Another thing that I have been doing much more is spending time with my family and talking to my friends through online video calling platforms such as Zoom or Skype. And it has brought out that you don't need it has made me realize that you don't need to always go out to have fun. Obviously it is better, but you can also stay at home, have fun with your family. And yeah, that's what my lessons have been through the pandemic. So I request you all to stay home and stay safe.
Hi friends, this is Sumedha Desai. I am an Indian classical vocalist from Goa. I am here to speak to you all about this virus and the lockdown that has followed. Initially when the lockdown was announced, I was very disconcerted. I found it very difficult to believe that the all-powerful men did not have a medicine or a vaccine for this virus. But then as the lockdown progressed, I started enjoying it. It gave us all a welcome breather from the very fast lives that we were leading for the past decade or so. It allowed me a lot of time to internalize, to introspect. As a musician, there were a lot of lacunas I had not addressed in the past few years because of a busy schedule, because of lack of enthusiasm, because I had settled in a rut, whatever. So this gave me a lot of time and opportunity to improvise, to deal with those lacunas, to look at some new compositions, to reinvent my music, to reinvent myself. It also taught me and my family the lessons we had once learned as a child, the lesson of patience. We learned to make do with whatever was available. I also realized that there were a lot of things, things in life we were taking for granted. There were a lot of excesses which were actually not needed, and so started differentiating between the needs and the excesses. I also realized that we have been mercilessly exploiting the nature. Our greed is getting the better of us, and this is just one way the nature is paying us back for all the excesses, all the atrocities that we have, leveled upon the nature. All in all, I must say that this lockdown was necessary to bring us to our senses, to make us realize that we need to have a plan B, and we cannot always take everything around us for granted. I pray for all those who are unwell. I pray for all the migrants. I hope they all get back to safety. I hope all my Goan friends, all my Goan brothers and sisters get back to Goa safe and healthy. And I hope we sail through this pandemic with little or no damage. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, this is Arvind with you. And since we know we're in a global pandemic, I feel this is a wonderful opportunity for everyone to become a better version of themselves. It's a great time for us to spend with our families and our loved ones, or to accomplish any personal goals which we couldn't accomplish before. As an individual, I've been working on my fitness, and I have been working on cricketing skills, trying to improve them by doing lots of drills at home, which anyone can do. And this applies to all sports, not only just cricket. You just need to have the will to work hard and just keep finding different ways to improve your game and get better as an individual every day. I hope all of you stay safe and best of luck.
नमस्कार, हांव अतुल.
नमस्कार, हांव आरती मोरगांवकर.
आता सांगपाचें जालें ह्या कोविड-19 ही महामारी आसा, पॉझिटिव्ह कितें मेळटा की हातूंतल्यान बरें कितें भायर सरता तर एक म्हणजे पृथ्वीक खूब फायदो जालो आसतो पर्यावरणाक, जे आमचें एनवायरमेंट आसा, नेचर ते एक हील जावपाचो टायम मेळ्ळो. पशु, पक्षी, वन हांकां मातशें तें बऱ्याक पडलें. तें पळोवन आमकां बरें दिसलें, तरी आमी घरा वता. दुसरें म्हजें जें सांगपाचें जाल्यार हांव आसता प्रायवेट सॅक्टरांत. आमी दीसभर स्ट्रेसफूल नोकरेनूच अडकलेले आसता, सकाळ ते सांज पर्यंत. घरा कडेन चड वेळ मेळना. तो मातसो आतां सुशेग एक मेळ्ळा. जरी घरा उरलें तरी मातसो तें टेन्शन ना कामाचें, तो स्ट्रेस नाशिल्लो. त्या घरा कडेन वचून आपलें कितें हॉबीज आसा तें पळोवंक मेळटा, घरच्यां बरोबर टायम स्पेंड करता. हांवें सगळें अशें पॉझिटिव्हच पळयलां हातूंतल्यान, आनी बाकीचें सगळें फक्त काळजी घेतल्यार आपूण सेफ उरता अशें म्हाका दिसता.
आणि हांव एक हाऊसवायफ, होममेकर जाल्ल्यान सगळीं जेन्ना घरा कडेन उरलीं, एकत्र उरलीं, म्हाका बरें दिसलें. सगळ्या बरोबर वेळ घालोवपाक मेळ्ळो. भुरगीं सुद्दां कामान म्हाका मदत करूंक लागलीं. हळू तांकांय आवडूंक लागलें मदत करपाक. जेवणाय बी करूंक शिकलीं म्हजे बरोबर. आनी भायलीं जेवणां जीं पळय आमी ऑर्डर करतालीं हॉटेलांतले, तें खूब कमी जालें. तें बरें दिसलें, कित्याक तें आरोग्याकय बी बरें नाशिल्लें. आनी आतां घरचें सात्वीक जेवण जेवपाक लागलीं भुरगीं. आनी मेन म्हाका बरें दिसलें म्हणजे सगळीं जाणां एकत्र रावतालीं. बाकी कोवीड न जावपाक आमी घरा चड राविल्लीं बरीं, आनी सगळ्यांनी बरे भशेन उरचें अशें दिसता.
Stay home, stay safe.
Hi, we all know what is happening in our state, and this is a crisis situation, what is happening. And in this situation, we were all locked down, and during the lockdown, we learned a lot of skills, and we learned skills like I personally learned skills like directing. I directed some short clips with my family, my dad and mom. They are talented. I explored their talent. And also we always say, right, that we never get time. Okay, if I was free, I would have completed my work at home. So this is the time we got, and we actually completed all our work at home. And also we also say that we don't get time to watch this movie, that movie. So there are a lot of web series on net which we saw, and it is awesome artistic films which we have seen. So we got a lot of time, and we made best use of this time. And also to interact with friends, the cell phone plays a major role, friends. So we could interact them, video calling, and absolutely we could talk to them, and great to know that they all are safe. So I want to tell you all, friends, please be home, please be safe. Don't make unnecessary movements. Okay, only go when needed. So most of the time, be at home.
Hi, in this coronavirus, we are becoming more self-reliant, not depending upon anybody. No maid servants, no barbers. We do all at our home. We do not require anybody now. We can do it at ourselves only.
Hi everyone, due to coronavirus or COVID-19, there was lockdown almost in every country. I have benefited in increasing my stamina and agility as I am a cricketer.
हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हांव ज्योती कुंकळकार, रायटर आनी फिल्म मेकर. कोरोनान आमकां कितें शिकयलें? खरें म्हळ्यार एक गाडी सारकी फूल स्पिडीन वता आनी मदींच ब्रेक रावता अशें कितें अशेंच दिसलें, आनी एक जग थांबलां कशें दिसलें. प्रत्येक लढाई शस्त्र घेवन जिखपाची नासता, त्याला काय फाटी 2 पावलां फाटी घेवन थोडेसे सहन करून कांय गजाली दिवपाच्यो आसता. ह्या करोनान आमकां सख्त अशें घरा बसयला. खरें म्हळ्यार कांय लोकांनी बरो त्या वेळेचो उपयोग केला, पण कांय लोक जर अशें म्हणटात की म्हाका वेळूच ना, आपणें कांयच करूना, जाल्यार तो वेळेचो प्रश्न न्ही, थोडो शिस्तीचो प्रश्न आसलो. कुरुक्षेत्रात एकदा अश्वत्थामान एक नारायण अस्त्र मुखावयल्या सैन्याचेर सोडलें आनी तांचे कडेन शस्त्र आशिल्लें हें ताका उजो दिश्टी पडपाक लागलें. अशा वेळार श्री कृष्णान सांगलें की शस्त्र कांय वेळ सकयल दवरा आनी सगळें थंड जातकच आपशें सगळें निवळटलें. म्हाका दिसता हो खेळ आमी अशें करपाक जाय. आमी घरांत आसपाक जाय आनी कांय दिसांनी कांय खिणांनी सगळें निवळटलें आनी ती गाडी परतून स्पिडीन वतली. देव बरें करूं.
Hi, good morning, Ambe. Thanks for considering me as for your YouTube channel, Ambe Excites. Talking regarding the pandemic, my point of view, we'll have to live with it. Slowly and gradually, we'll come out of it. We need to be patient enough. Try and take the best precautions what we can. It's very simple logic here. There is nothing high rocket science involved into it. If it's raining outside, you don't go outside. If there is an infection going around, the virus going around, you don't go outside. If it's raining, you still want to go outside, you have to take proper precautions. Carry an umbrella, wear a raincoat or go outside so that you don't get wet. The same funda lies here. If you want to go outside, make sure you're well protected. Having your gloves on, having your mask on. Make sure you don't touch anybody. Try and avoid touching your face. Try and avoid going to crowded areas, and that's about it. Yeah, it's simple, very simple logic. We don't need to find high things over here. Stay basic, stay simple, and slowly and gradually we'll come over it. All looks good for now. You take care of yourself, and I wish your YouTube channel goes further. Keep it safe and nice, buddy. God bless you all the way. Cheers, bye.
सरिता चव्हाण. कोविड-19 पॉझिटिव्हली कसं घ्यायचं याच्याबद्दल मी आज थोडं बोलणार आहे. ॲक्च्युली आजचा संघर्ष उद्याचं सामर्थ्य कसं बनू शकतो, तर तो फक्त आपला विचार बदलला की आपण आयुष्य बदलू शकतो आपलं. त्याप्रमाणे जर सगळ्यांनी हे आजचा कोविड-19 पॉझिटिव्हली घेतला तर सगळेजण छानपैकी जीवन जगू शकतात. कुठेही खचून न जाता सगळ्यांनी पॉझिटिव्हिटी आपल्यामध्ये ठासून भरून उभं राहिलं पाहिजे. माझीच गोष्ट घ्या, 7 डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग्स कॅन्सल झाले ह्या पिरियडमध्ये. एक गोवन फूड फेस्टिवल कॅन्सल झाला, विच इज अ ह्यूज अमाऊंट. 2 मिनटं मला वाटलं अरे बापरे आता काय करू मी, पण मी खचून नाही गेले, कारण आयुष्यात मला खचून जाणं माहिती नाही आहे. आणि त्यामुळे मी लगेच विचार केला की चला होम डिलिव्हरी सुरू करूया. मी स्वतः बनवून स्वतः तिकडे डिलिव्हरी द्यायची. जे 25 वर्ष झाली आज की लोकांना माझ्यामध्ये विश्वास आहे की इकडचं जेवण पूर्णपणे हायजिनिकली बनवून येणार आणि त्याच्यात मीच डिलिव्हरी देणार आहे म्हटल्यावर आणि कॉन्फिडन्स आला लोकांना. त्यामुळे भरपूर ऑर्डर्स आहेत. म्हणजे 1 दिवस आधी द्या म्हणून सांगितलं तरी मला 2-3 दिवस आधी ऑर्डर्स येऊन राहतात. तर ते एक चांगली गोष्ट झाली आहे. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये माझ्या हॉबीज ज्या होत्या त्या सप्रेस झाल्या होत्या. वाचनाची आवड किंवा स्विमिंग करायची आवड. आता म्हणजे आय एम निअरिंग 60 स्टील मी ते सगळं म्हणजे स्विमिंग शिकले आता ह्या काळामध्ये. मस्त वाटतं संध्याकाळी जाऊन आरामात स्विमिंग करायला. सो माझा व्यायामही होतो, माझी हॉबी कंप्लीट झाली. आज आता मला फिशची ऑर्डर आहे. सकाळी मस्तपैकी 6 वाजता जाऊन बेतूरला जाऊन फ्रेश किंगफिश घेऊन आले आणि आज आता मी तो बनवून त्या लोकांना देणार. त्याची मला इतकी मज्जा वाटते कारण इतका फ्रेश फिश आहे की लोक एकदम काय म्हणतात ते चाटून वगैरे खातील आणि परत मला मोठ्या ऑर्डर्स मिळतील. त्याच्यामुळे त्याची खुशी आहे. आणि प्लीज बी पॉझिटिव्ह इन COVID-19. आय एम थँकफुल टू यू ऑल. Listen to me. Bye.
Boa tarde, eu vim por este meio falar sobre o pandemic que fez o mundo parar. Nós estamos a passar por este tempo muito difícil e fazemos tudo para ver se conseguimos distrair, falar com os vizinhos um pouco, a manter a distância, em alguns sítios usarem a máscara e eu gostava de deixar uma mensagem de paz, amor e bem-aja e just stay safe. Tá.
नमस्कार. सैम उलयता, सैम दाखयता. सैम हाज्या पयलीं उलयतालो, हाज्या पयलीं दाखयतालो. मनीस मात भेटतो, उडतो. सैमाचो उलो ताणें केन्नाच आयकलो ना, सैमान दाखयलें ताणें केन्नाच पळयलें ना. COVID-19 परतून एकदां सैमान आमकां उलो मारला. जेन्ना जेन्ना मनीस सैमाचेर आपलें वर्चस्व दाखोवंक सोदता तेन्ना तेन्ना सैम आमकां आमचो जागो दाखोवन दिता. पूण आमी सुदारता, आमी परतूनय तेंच करता. सैमा बरोबर जगपाक शिकया, सैम राखपाक शिकया, सैमाचो समतोल सांबाळपाक शिकया. सैमाचें कालचक्र जे कोट्यांनी वर्सांनी इवॉल्व जावन आयलां, जातूंत बारीकांतलो बारीक जीव जाका आमी बॅक्टेरिया म्हणटा तो पासून ह्या कालचक्राक घुंवपाक मदत करता. पूण आमी मनीस आमची हाव ह्या कालचक्राक बाधा हाडटा आनी ताजे परिणाम आमकां भोगचे पडटा. आतां वेळ आयला सुदारपाचो, स्वताक समजून घेवपाचो, सृश्टी समजून घेवपाचो, सैमाक जाणून घेवपाचो, सैमा बरोबर जगपाचो. आमी मनीस, आमकां स्वताक जबाबदारी आसा कारण आमी बुद्धिवान अशें आमकां मानतात. ह्या जीवन सृश्टींतले आमी श्रेश्ठ जीव म्हणूच आमचेर चड जबाबदारी येता. जबाबदारी घेवया, परतून एकदां शाणे जावया, सैम राखया, सैमा बरोबर जगपाक शिकया, नवे नियम करया, पयलींच्यो संवयो मोडया. त्रास जातलो पूण सूख आसाच. देव बरें.
I am Ramesh Sadhugadi, writer, poet, and environmentalist, and above all, a farmer. COVID-19 was the worst experience of our life. That's what everybody feels. But there were some positive aspects also about this pandemic. From my personal experience, what I'll say, for last 2 months, the reading what I have done, which I had never done in my life. I spend about 10-12 hours also sometimes the reading. Also, I spend some valuable time in writing also. And I spent time with my family. That was a very precious one. I had time to watch Ramayana, Mahabharata serials along with my kids. And then I had time to explain them the philosophy behind it. I had time to work on my personal fitness, especially the cardio. All the time I was in the weights, but this time I went for a long distance cycling after many years. I feel endurance wise more fitter than earlier. As a farmer, I see some of the fields which was not cultivated for like 15-20 years, they are being cultivated again. If I go around Sarigam fields, I see very few of them barren fields. It was not happening for all these years. Some of my friends are saying, "Are आमी निदाच्या शेतकार ही शेतां कशी सोडया नाका." I feel it really nice. Self-sufficiency will begin with this COVID-19 era. That's what I feel. So COVID was not bad in all aspects. It made me more humble person, more sensitive person. End of the day, I realized the expenses what we are doing, many of them were unnecessary. COVID taught us to survive with the minimum expenses. In a way, I'll have to thank COVID also for making us humble, making us wider in our wisdom. Thank you.
Hey Ambe, not much to talk about the positiveness that we have actually have or we are having during this lockdown. It's a massive crisis for everyone. It's around the world. But what personally positiveness I can actually get out of it is spending a lot of time with family. My pets are happy because I'm spending more time because I'm basically an outdoor person. So I spend a lot of time out because of my profession. So they are happy. That's quite positive. I'm cooking. So that's again another passion of mine. Helping my cooking skills grow. What I've learned from it is I'm seeing a lot of positives that is coming out of me. I'm spending time at home. As I said earlier, it's a good thing. It's something to do with building in a lot more patience. You cannot do much about it. You just have to stay at home and be positive in whatever has been happening, and also pray that the world which is just going through this COVID virus to just hopefully some way or the other get away. They find something out of it. Another thing I'm quite what I've learned is how people are actually helping the stray, and also people who are having a bit of a trouble with the food and things like that. So these are quite nice positive things that we can come on, but at the same time what we've learned out of it, I don't think anyone can say they can learn anything out of it, because the situation is such we cannot literally talk good thing about it. It's not good. I mean, it's actually taught us what we need to do when it comes to looking after the nature. So yeah, I mean, I hope this virus just goes away as quickly as possible.
What are the benefits of lockdown? What did you enjoy during this lockdown time?
Sitting at home.
Sitting at home?
Yeah, I have fun at home.
So we had time to spend with these monkeys. We had good healthy food because we did not go outside. We saved other people by sitting at home because we were social distancing. And we were learning more things. We were studying from home. We were having fun. Did we play a lot of games, Akshay?
Yeah. And
we had fun.
Sanitizers all around the house.
Yeah. Say thank you so much for staying at home. Happy lockdown.
Happy lockdown. Happy COVID-19.
Well, Ambe, I think I've started developing patience. Maybe that is the reason why I can say, keeping other factors aside, my cricket career also was short-lived. And so mainly, I mean, I think I've developed the habit of, out of this pandemic, I've developed the habit of reading again, writing. I used to write quite a lot earlier when I used to play, because after playing I had nothing else to do, just sit in the room, think about the day. I used to write some limericks, I used to write some quotes. I used to read a lot earlier. Now I've started reading again. I think in this 2 months I've already finished about 3 or 4 books. I've written some shairis. I've written a nice song. I mean, it has to be composed, only then I can call it a song, but till then it is just a lyrics. And one thing very positive I feel, I think as a father I've started understanding how to feed my son, which I had never done before. Maybe this patience has helped me keep more patience with him, and I've learned to feed him. So that is a very positive thing about, I feel, in my fatherhood. I have learned many things to talk about, but I think basically main very important thing is, I think after some time we'll start getting purer air, because since we have a very less of pollution, the environment is rejuvenating, it is recouping, and I'm sure we are going to have better days ahead, just waiting for this pandemic to end. And only thing I expect from every citizen here now is that they have learned that they can even do without their busy life schedules. We can give time for our lives. Lives are very important. Family is very important. We have to also focus on that. Socializing is good, no doubt. But we have also learned that without socializing, we can coexist. There's no need to do too much of show-offs. What's more important is how capable you are. Like as we said, हुनर होना चाहिए. बाकी सब बाद में आता है.
Hi, I'm Uddar Saukar. What I learned from this pandemic is that nothing is impossible. Most of the things can be done from home, including education. I've also learned and truly understood the meaning of Atmanirbhar. During this pandemic, I got some good ideas and quality time to draw cartoons. Lifestyle is definitely going to change if mask continues to be mandatory. Women will be looking for fashionable masks. Men will be looking for social distancing during their haircut. And some of us will change from stay at home to drink at home.
ਹੈਲੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਰਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਦੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਆ। ਸਾਡਾ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਜਿਸ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਸਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਵੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਾਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਅਤੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਜੋ ਬਾਹਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਟਲਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਫਜ਼ੂਲ ਖਰਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਖਰੀਦਣਾ ਚਾਹੋ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਭੀੜ ਭੜੱਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, ਔਨਲਾਈਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੋਪਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਜੇ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਾਲਤੂ ਪੈਸੇ ਖਰਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਾਰਟੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਰਹੇਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਭਿਆਨਕ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
నమస్కారం. ఈ ప్రజెంట్ కోవిడ్-19 సిచ్యువేషన్లో పాజిటివ్ థింగ్స్ నేను ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నవి, మొదటిగా లైఫ్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఎలా అనేది బాగా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. దాంట్లో వర్క్లో కానీ, ఫైనాన్షియల్లో కానీ, ఫ్యామిలీ వైజ్లో కానీ, అలాగే ఫ్యామిలీతో టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. మరియు చిన్ననాటి స్నేహితులతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవి చిన్ననాటి జ్ఞాపకాలు గుర్తు తెచ్చుకుంటూ బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ధన్యవాదములు.
Namaskar, I'm Prajal Sakardande. I teach history in Dempe College. I write books on history. I have been involved in activism to save heritage of Goa. This lockdown period has not been a waste of time. It has been a learning experience for me. There are both positive side and the flip side also. But let me speak about the positive side. During the lockdown period, whatever pending books I had to read, I completed them. I'm feeling good now. I feel complete as a student of history because I could complete my encyclopedia of world history, Oxford Encyclopedia of World History, which I was pending since 2001 when I purchased it. That edition is of 1998. Today I feel after completing it, I feel complete as a student of history. I read many books, autobiographies, books on freedom struggle, many books, of history. Try to enhance my knowledge of history. I regularly post on Facebook on various aspects of history, unsung heroes of history. Recently I did a web seminar wherein I was asked as a resource person to speak on history and heritage of Goa and how it could be connected with livelihood of self-help groups in the rural villages. I could answer their questions. I connected heritage with how they could use heritage to enhance their economic profile in the villages. So they were quite happy about it, helping people who have been facing problems economically due to the coronavirus. Various things I have been doing. I could spend a lot of time with my mother, my family, connecting with the villages of Goa, making videos for them on the history and heritage of Goa, especially those villages which we have adopted: Piland, Sukur, Bittona, Jue, Diwar. The saddest part is many people are dying all over the world. I feel very saddened by that. Fortunately, as of now in Goa we are safe and we hope to be safe provided we take the right precautionary measures which are suggested by people, by doctors, nurses. I salute doctors, nurses, policemen who have been working around the clock for helping people with COVID. I wish that we are free from this crisis very soon and hope we regain whatever we have lost and we are back on our foot. Thank you very much.
Friends, we are passing through the most horrible stage of our life due to the coronavirus. There is global crisis due to innumerable deaths. The famous French astrologer had predicted that 2020 will be the year of death. I don't believe WhatsApp or media reports, but they say they have found a new drug. We'll have to stay with this coronavirus till we find a permanent solution like a vaccination is found. But there is also good side or boon to this, like we are enjoying a good family life. We all are staying together. We play together. We watch the TV together, which was not possible before the attack of coronavirus. Let's also give a chance for the earth to repair itself. The earth is breathing fresh now. The ozone layer, which was getting depleted, is now come back to normal. So friends, till we find a cure for coronavirus, let's stay safe, wear masks, and be safe. Thanks.
Namaste. Hello. I am Sampada Pillai, Kathak dancer from Bangalore, India. The current situation of coronavirus has put everything to a halt. It has stopped us completely in our tracks, and I feel has given us time to think about the way we are living our lives, whether the fast pace and the rat race is worth it, whether slaughtering the environment is worth it. I think we should use this time to reflect, and I can see that the situation has brought out the worst and the best in people. So let's take the positive and let's take the good things that people are doing, helping each other, caring for each other, being compassionate. Let's take this and move forward, and let's try and build a better world.
During the coronavirus pandemic, I have been in Dubai. I've been staying home and staying safe. This has taught me and given me a chance to learn new skills and develop the skills I have. Such as, I've been starting to play a few new games such as PUBG and other few games. And in regarding cricket, I've been starting to do lots of spot bowling at home, bat with the bowling machine. And regarding the fitness, I do many other drills which I've learned over the past 2 months due to the pandemic, and this has also given the world and us new chances to develop new technology skills such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and e-learning is also taking place efficiently with those platforms.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಡ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ತೊಂದರೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆದಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಗ ಕರೋನಾ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉಷ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಸುಖವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Hi there. I always wanted to go to homeschooling because I was not really fond of school. So I really wanted to go to homeschooling, but my parents didn't allow me. So they said that you have to go to school to be a big person in the future. Then because of this pandemic which started, obviously there were online schools, like classes. So that made me do the homeschooling. So that was really nice, and I got experience of homeschooling. So I was really excited the first time I made my online class. So that was really nice. It made me experience of homeschooling. So yeah, this is the thing. Guys, please stay home, stay safe during this pandemic.
Hello everyone. This is a critical time right now going with everybody. Whole global is suffering right now due to coronavirus, and this is really both the sides actually, like negative and positive. Yeah, I can say mostly negative side, 99.9%. But I am a positive mind person, so I take as a positive side that everything will be fine. This is for a limited time. This is not the permanent virus. Everybody, whole world is searching currently for basically a medicine or something. So once it will be on the in the current lives, everything will be all right. And during this time also, everybody is trying their another different 100 types of things. Some people are cooking, some people are exercising, some people are writing, some people are reading, people are becoming bloggers. So yeah, life is going on both the side. Let's say what my wife has to say now.
Yeah, kind of right. It's a very difficult situation, but હું ખુશ છું because મને થોડીક મદદ મળી રહી છે કામમાં. Jokes apart, but we just hope that we get out of this situation soon. And as આજનું સ્લોગન બધા કહે છે, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया. So we just hope for that. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
राम साहब, वायरस की वजह से अपना राजस्थान में खाना पूरी हिंदुस्तान में सौ बढ़िया चीज़ हुई है, जीविका हुई है कि अपनी गंगा नदी है चलो पवित्र नदी मानी जाती कमान कचरो 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 सब रहते, लेकिन अब वायरस की वजह गंगा नदी एकदम क्लियर हो बिल्कुल साफ. बढ़िया बात है, सनो बढ़िया फर्स्ट क्लास बात है. दूसरी बात है कि हर आदमी आपका काम काज में दूर है तो घर का टाइम कम दे. तो अभी वायरस की वजह से सगड़ा घर है, परिवार एक साथ बैठ घरों खा रही चलो एक साथ है, सबसे खुशी की बात है, अभी बहुत बड़ी बात है. नमस्कार, कभी बोलबो भाई बोलबो सबाई এই যে করোনা ভাইরাস এসেছে তার জন্য আমাদের সবাইকে সমস্যা হচ্ছে. তার মাধ্যমে আমাদের যারা পরিষেবাগুলো লোক আছে উদ্ভিদ আছে তারা আমাদের সবাইকে কিছু হেল্প করছে এরকম কিছু আমাদেরকে রেশন দিচ্ছে, তারপরে এইসব দিকে আমরা আমাদেরকে হেল্প করি.
My name is Hemant Tangle. I am a former Goa Ranji Trophy vice captain, and at present I am in Madgaon at home and under lockdown. So this lockdown, because of this coronavirus, has taught us one thing which our religious books, say Bhagavad Gita or any other book has taught us, that there is a force above us which you cannot challenge. It is nature, it is time, or whatever you call it. And now here we are, from Tata Birla to Hemant Tangle, all at home. One having a lot of money, the other okay, middle class, but both of them, they just cannot move out. They are quarantined at home. But what we learned in this time, that you have your head above your shoulder and be very humble, remain humble. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. My second life is cricket, but I could say that cricket has, this lockdown has given us a new impetus. Though the main cricket runs on the ground, but something called online cricket coaching, I'm a coach, has developed in this quarantine period, and we are thankful for that our boys, we could be in touch with them through our online coaching. So online coaching is what good has happened because of coronavirus, and the other good that has happened is that we have to keep our head over the shoulders.
Hi guys, I'm Kashmira, and I know that the coronavirus pandemic has indeed got a lot of stress in our lives. I've been reading a lot of disturbing news. We are all stressed all the time, but there is definitely another side to the coronavirus pandemic, and there are some positive lessons that we all can learn. And I personally feel, if you ask me what is the one lesson, I personally feel that minimalism is a concept that the coronavirus pandemic has highlighted. We can do with little stuff. We don't really need to buy everything that we see, everything that we like. I think in the last couple of years, the human race has been an absolutely greedy one, and the pandemic has highlighted the importance of that we can thrive with our essential items. So when the lockdown was announced, we didn't rush to buy another car or add a lot of more gold to our already existing collection. We rushed out to buy things that we really need. And I think the pandemic has indeed brought attention on how we need to plan our life ahead, what is more value, what adds value to our life, and how we need to take care of our Mother Earth, because resources such as clean air and clean water, these are the most valuable things in life without which we cannot survive. And respect for other living species, because we've seen during the pandemic every other living species has thrived as well, so they also have a right to live. So I think the pandemic has highlighted some positive things, and we all have lessons to learn. And what's most important is we carry the learnings of this lesson even post the COVID-19 phase. Thank you for listening.
Hi everyone. Talking about the positive side of this pandemic, as a nature lover, I really love the way nature was breathing for a while after the lockdown around the world. This pause was really needed. What we can learn from this pandemic is that how strongest or most powerful you may be, but when it comes to nature, you can't stand against it. Of course, nature has proven it many a times, but we haven't been serious yet. Still, it's not too late that we start building and caring for the nature rather than building weapons and war machines. That's all I had to say. Thank you.
नमस्कार, म विक्रम हाल रोजगारीको सिलसिलामा युएमा कार्यरत छु र जस्तो कि सर्वप्रथम म सम्पूर्ण सबैलाई जसले भिडियो वाच गर्नुहुन्छ म सम्पूर्ण सबैलाई मेरो नमस्कार भन्न चाहन्छु र त्यसै गरी विश्वमा अहिले हजुर सबैलाई थाहै छ कोभिड-19 को कारणले गर्दा दुनिया त्रासित छ र त्यसै गरी जे जस्तो अवस्थामा हुनुहुन्छ सुरक्षित रहनु होला र उहाँको सरकारले जे जस्तो नियमहरू लगाएको छ त्यसको पालना गर्नु होला र साथै आफ्नो केयर गर्नलाई यताउति हिँड्दा ग्लोभ्स मास्क तथा हातहरू धोइराख्ने त्यो चाहिँ गरिराख्नु होला। बाँकी हजुर सबैलाई थाहा नै छ के कस्ता रुल रेगुलेसन हर कन्ट्रीमा गभर्मेन्टले गरिरहेको छ त्यो फलो गर्दै जानु होला र त्यसै गरी जुन यो भाइरसले गर्दाखेरि जति पनि मृत्यु हुनेको संख्या छ अब त्यो सम्पूर्ण सबैलाई थाहा छ धेरै गर्नु परेन। मेरो यो छोटो सन्देश तपाईहरुमा छोड्न गइरहेको छु र यति भन्दै अहिलेलाई भने म बिदा हुन्छु।
Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Sharma Pagrani. Currently, the pandemic has taken over the world, coronavirus. Many doctors and scientists are trying to resolve the problem, but they can't. In the future they will, for sure. What good has taken out of this pandemic is that I got to spend a lot of time with my family, and I got to improve the place where I need to be improved on. Like in my sport, cricket. There's many areas of improvement and I improved. Thank you guys for listening.
Hi friends. I know it's a tough time now, but Corona's negativity has brought in a lot of positivity within family, state and country. One feeling which is outpowered now during this time is the feeling of being united. People have realized the meaning of existence and are trying hard to get rid of this nuisance and lead a happy, healthy life. It's like God has given us a no ball and we have to make most of it in order to win in life. Be tough, guys, because when the going gets tough, the tough get going. All the best. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Ranjit. Hope you all are doing well. As we all are aware, we are going through tough, unprecedented times because of the current coronavirus situation. Having locked ourselves in our houses for a long time, I'm sure it's given a lot of time for people to think or rethink about, how exactly what's happening. So amidst all the negativities that's around and these are really tough times, I'm pretty sure that we've had an opportunity to think about the positivities and some takeaways from here, which I think we should all look at, and that will help us keeping ourselves positive. So to me, one of the things is that we've just been forced to do the basics. We move only where it's essential. We only go out if it is required. We're getting more times on hands. We're doing as much as work as we can from home. That leaves us ample time, some good quality time with the families to spend. So basically, it's forced us to do what we should actually be doing. This will all be over very soon, but I can relate it to the field of cricket, where we always say that let's stick to the basics, and more than likely the team that sticks to the basics emerges as a winner. So I'm sure it will be the same for all of us as a takeaway from the current situation. So which will be over soon. Until then, you should all stay home, stay safe, stay fit. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, this is Gauri Kaute. Now about this ongoing pandemic, I feel we cannot do anything about it but keep ourselves safe from this virus. So yes, be indoors, try to go out only if necessary. So stay home, stay safe, be happy.
हाय गाइस, एज यू नो कि कोरोना वायरस की वजह से अपनी कंट्री नहीं पूरा वर्ल्ड स्ट्रगल कर रहा है और बहुत डिफ़िकल्टीज़ का सामना करना पड़ रहा है. बट वो कहते हैं ना कि कई बार ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज. तो इस मुश्किल टाइम में, ये मुश्किल समय हमारे लिए कुछ शायद एडवांटेजेस भी लेके आया है. अगर मैं अपनी बात करूं तो इस कोविड-19 ने हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि अपनी फैमिली के साथ हम टाइम स्पेंड कर सकें. और मैक्सिमम टाइम हम जब घर पे रहते हैं तो खाना भी बड़ा अच्छा खा रहे हैं, तो वो डाइट फैक्टर जो है काफ़ी ध्यान दे रहे हैं उस पर. एंड एट द सेम टाइम कुछ नई स्किल सीख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है हम ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं. वो चाहे हम कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस हो, ऑनलाइन मीटिंग्स हो, कोई बातचीत है, तो अपनी स्किल्स को भी हम जो है डेवलप कर रहे हैं. तो कोरोना वायरस बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी लेके आई है, बट साथ में कुछ एडवांटेजेस भी है. तो हमेशा हम कह सकते हैं कि एडवांटेजेस को भी देखना चाहिए. ग्लास आधा भरा है या ग्लास आधा खाली है, देखने का नज़रिया है. थैंक यू.
Hi, I'm Hema Sardesai, and I just want to say that cheer up. This pandemic is not going to last forever. It's just a few months more, and by the end of May, I'm sure the curve is going to really flatten, and there will be good news that many lives are being saved as they're being saved today. Let's focus on the fact that many lives are being saved. There is so much of hope for humanity. It's time to come together as one. Mother Earth wants us to be one. We are her children. She never said, I'll be better to this religion or that race or that country. She just loves us all as one. So let's make her happy so we don't have climate changes and this virus just runs away, scampers away. My Gurudev Shri Shri, His Holiness Shri Shri, always says belong to each other, one world, one family. Let this virus teach us one world, one family. Let's focus on the good parts. Families have got their loved ones in their homes. Yes, it's tough, but love is flowing. Let's all celebrate the fact that many lives are being saved, and let's think with happiness and positivity. So anything that's negative like a virus runs away. Okay, so be one, be smiling always. Lots of love from me, and stay blessed and healthy and happy always.
Hi guys, I'm Shikha Pandey, international cricket player from Goa, represent India.
Firstly, I'm hoping all of you are staying home, staying safe, and helping the government in the best possible way to tackle this COVID-19 situation. We need to thank the essential service provider and the healthcare workers for doing their bit. These are unprecedented times, and it's just not India that is affected by this pandemic, but the world wide over. As a professional athlete, it's been difficult for me to stay home and not do something that I love doing. It's been 2 months now, so I have realized that I just need to make the best possible use of equipment at home, and I try to follow a routine and a timetable that I can get inspired by. But there are a few advantages that this COVID-19 situation has brought upon. I've spent a lot of time with my parents at home. I've never been at home for more than 2 weeks, but now this time over, I have spent some quality time with my parents. There were few hobbies that I could never invest time in and could never give enough time to, like reading, learning a new instrument, learning to do some card tricks. So I'm just trying to keep myself motivated and busy all this time. We need to understand that we are very blessed and privileged to be in a situation that we are in, and there are many more others who are even struggling to get a day's meal and struggling for the survival. We need to be more compassionate towards each other, be kind, and help others in every way possible. Thanks a lot.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम ज़मादा तरफा टोलो मुसलमानों ताज़े अख्तर मुबारक शी बल्ला अख्तर तो मुबारक है ना बाद दा खबर दा उन्होंने चिपटोलो दुनिया बांधे दा कोरोना वायरस मरज़ रागले दे तासो ला पकार दा दी चीज़ कोरोना वायरस दा मरज़ नतासो लगा फायदा ऊंचा तक है जगह चे हर साड़े दे खपल हिफाजत पखपल हो की او دا مرض په ټوله دنیا باندې دا د یو نه بل ته لګي نو تاسو مهرباني وکړئ چې د یو ځای نه بل ځای ته مه ځئ ولې اختر را روان دی په دې اختر کې خلک د یو بل څه پارټیانې کوي نو دا پارټیانې پرېږدئ حکومت چې کوم قانون تاسو ته ښولی دی تاسو په دغه قانون باندې لکه د هغو احترام وکړئ او په خپلو خپلو کمرو کې کښېنئ او خپل اختر په خپل ځای کې منع وکړئ.
Hi. The whole world has been affected by COVID-19. As the government has declared this lockdown, I'm sure many of us have learned so many things at home and done so many stuff, new talents, new skills, etc. I never thought I would do baking at home, which I never liked baking, but this lockdown has really made me love baking, and with the help of my husband, I've tried so many stuff. And I'm just married, so it was like fun being with my husband, spending a lot of time with him. And secondly, professionally being a teacher, I used to go to school, teach my kids in school, be with them and have fun with them, which is now online teaching. There's a lot of difference between being in school with your kids and online teaching. You don't get that feel. And everybody talks about social distance. So yes, right now let's keep the social distance. Once the COVID-19 goes away, let's all social and keep the distance away. Thank you.
We all know the world is fighting against coronavirus COVID-19. We have faced the situation last few days back under tremendous conditions, and we appreciate the warriors who are fighting this to clear the humanity away from this disease. We have to see that we have to follow simple things. Whether you are rich, poor, educated or uneducated, we have to be very, very sensible in public life. We got to maintain social distance, wear a mask. We have to see that we come out of all this and enjoy the world as we were enjoying before.
ආයිබෝන් ඔබ සියලු දෙනාට අප දන්නවා මේ වෙනකොට කොරෝනා වෛරස් රෝග ප්‍රාපිතේ ගොස් ඇති බව. ඒ වගේම දුප්පත් පොහොසත් ભેදයකින් තොරව සියලුම රටවල් වලට මේ වාසනාවන්ත අවස්ථාවට මුහුණ දීමට සිදු වෙද්දී මෙම තත්ත්වය හමුවේ අපහට කාර්ය බහුලත්වයෙන් තොරව අවශ්‍ය පරිදි කාර්ය ලැබිය යුතුයි. මෙම කාලයේ ප්‍රයෝජනයටගෙන අපකින් අතපසු වී ඇති සියලු වැඩ කටයුතු නිම කිරීමටත් ඒ වගේම ඔබගේ පවුලේ සමග සතුටින් කාලය ගත කිරීමටත් ගිලිහි ගිය සමතකම් නැත්නම් ඒවා නැවත ගොඩ නගා ගැනීමට මේ මහඟු අවස්ථාවක් ලෙස ඔබට ප්‍රයෝජනයට ගත හැකියි. ඒ වගේම මේ කාලේ ප්‍රයෝජනයට ඔබගේ යම්කිසි අඩුපාඩුවක් ඇත්නම් ඒවා නිවැරදි කරගෙන මෙම අවසනාවන්ත කාලයේ පසුවීමත් සමගම නව මිනිස්සෙකු ලෙස මෙම ලෝකයට මුහුණ දීමට අවශ්‍ය ශක්තිය ධෛර්යය ලැබේවා किया मम एक सिटी प्रार्थना करना वो समेट तेरुवन सरना.
कोविडचें संकट हें सगळ्या जगा वयलें संकट आसा. जगान वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीन तें फेस केलें तशें भारतान आनी गोंयान आमी सगळेच जाण वेगळ्या पद्दतीन तें फेस करता. हें करता आसतना लोकांक जे साक्षात्कार जाले तातूंत म्हाका व्यक्तिगत जो साक्षात्कार जालो तो असो की हिंदू जीवन पद्दती किंवा जाका सनातन जीवन पद्दती म्हणटात ती सनातन जीवन पद्दती ही रूढ करपाक कोविडची मदत जाली. सबंद जगान शेकहँड न करता नमस्ते करप, प्रेतां जीं आसा ही प्रेतांचें दफन न करता दहन करप, अश्यो पद्दती ज्यो आसा ह्यो मोठ्या विश्वासान जगांतल्या सगळ्या देशांनी मान्य केल्यो. आमकां ज्यो आमच्यो आजयो पणज्यो सांगताल्यो की घरान येता आसतना हातपांय धुवन येवंक जाय, चप्पल घालून घरान येवंक जायना, स्मशानान वचून आयलो जाल्यार न्हावपाक जाय, ह्यो सगळ्यो पद्दती ज्यो आसा ताजी टिंगल उडोवपाचें काम नवें सुविद्य जनरेशन जें आसा तें करतालें. आतां लक्षान आयलें जगाच्या केवळ आमच्या देशाच्या न्हय की सनातन हिंदू पद्दती जी आसा तातूंतले सगळे उपचार आनी शिश्टाचार जे आसा हे सायंटिफिकली बेज्ड आसा. सायंटिफीक बेज आसा त्या प्रत्येकाक. अशा पद्दतीचो एक आत्मविश्वास कोविडान सगळ्या जगान आनी ताज्या बरोबर भारतान आनी आमच्या गोंयान सुद्दां निर्माण केलो. विशेषतः व्यक्तिगत म्हज्या मनान अशा प्रकारचो आत्मविश्वास दृढ करपाक कोविडची मदत जाली अशें म्हाका दिसता.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اسمي ليث العبيداني. من إيجابيات الكورونا إن قدرنا نقضي وقت مع أهلنا، قدرنا نخطط لمستقبلنا ونتمنى الشفاء لجميع الناس. مع السلامة.
Hi friends, as we have gone through the episode of the true corona where everybody has spoken and expressed their views on the pandemic, I'm also have my things to say where I realized very much effect in my real life where I'm always planning things. I'm always believing in planning. I believe in having victories, plans of success. Sometimes I don't mind losing, but the plan has to be on place. And even a victory without planning doesn't give me that much of joy. But during this pandemic, what has happened to me is that I have learned to accept that there's nothing called planning in this world. And you have to accept at times the situations and you have to go by it. So that helplessness feeling which I get always also is changed after this when I have learned to accept helplessness. Normally I am not a person who gives up on things and I get helpless and I hate myself. I cannot sleep a night when I get helpless. But pandemic has put me to sleep so many nights thinking of things which are totally not in my hands. So I have started to accept helplessness. This is one thing with pandemic. This thing is my lifetime first occasion. The pandemic is for the first time because it's lifetime happening because nobody gets to see it in 100 years or we had something back say 110 years back and this is something later on. So it has made me realize a few things where you have to accept things. You saw in one of the clips where one of the kids is saying happy pandemic, happy corona, and it says that the new generations are already prepared to accept it and we have to take it by our sides and move on with it. What I feel is people used to share things before, a lot of share things, they had that kind of soft corner for everybody. As years passed and people go within their rooms, within their selfishness and they stopped sharing those things. This pandemic also has brought that thing where people have started sharing things. It's not about only sharing. The sharing always wanted to get back. Here they're doing sharing things without expecting things back. So that is the actual value of it, where you share things and you don't expect anything back. This episode which has happened, I really created that we have learned to accept things and we are ready to face the pandemic in its own way, on our own style as humans. Chew Corona. I know we have lost so many lives and we have been hurt every corner, but still we have life in front of us and we have to face it with more individual intensity and not make heavy weight out of it. Chew gum.